In this section, we're going to be looking at the formula F equals ma and applying it in different situations. Remember, F equals ma resulted from Newton's second law. Here we have a particle of mass 3 kilograms acted upon by a resultant force of 10 newtons. We want to find the acceleration produced by this force. So here we have a 3 kilogram object acted upon by a resultant force of 10 newtons. And we know from Newton's second law that this will produce an acceleration in the same direction as this resultant force. We can find the acceleration using the formula F is equal to ma. F is the resultant force, which is 10. M is the mass, which is 3. And then we have A. So A is 10 over 3, or 3 and 1/3 meters per second squared.